how to add downloadable PDF files to Beacon's AI course. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put the downloadable file of the Beacon's course that you're going to add it to the digital products that you have in here. So what is Beacons or Beacons.ai? It is going to be a platform that will allow you to set up a link in bio link in bio, let's say here, products, and also create websites. So it is going to be very common and very easy to use this platform. So we can go ahead and head over the platform, and then we can go ahead and create our account within the platform. And after that, what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We are going to head over the products. After that, we're going to head over here. So we're going to add our new product. So for beginners, since it is going to be the first time that you're going to add a course, it is going to give you a one free course if you're going to run up on the free plan. So we are going to have here the plan. As you can see here, I don't know why it is suggesting for me to set up the course. Here we have the course. So let's say that we have created the course. I'm going to click on it and edit the product detail or the course detail. So this is the product detail. You can go and set up the media. As you can see, everything is going to be here, the price and everything. You can go ahead and set up the course setup. As you can see, this is the introduction or the course itself. So you can go ahead and have the content right there to upload a video and also add some downloadable files like that. As you can see, downloadable file, you can go ahead and upload a file, for example, like that. I'm going to upload this PDF. This is a PDF file and it is going to be added like that. So basically you can go ahead and add multiple PDFs to the course or the lesson itself. So I'm going to be back right there. I'm going to repeat the steps, edit the course, head over the course setup, select one of the modules. As you can see here, here we have some modules. Select the module. It is going to let you see the module itself. From the right side of the screen, edit lesson. Click on the content. Scroll down, downloadable file. So it is going to be available for this one and also for all the, as you can see, modules. So I'm going to click on listen to, content, the same thing. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you in the next one.